Hello everyone, today I will show you how to type text on Illustrator file. Open your Illustrator document. Now click on this type tool and click anywhere you want to type. And remove this. Now I will paste. I have already copied. Also I will type and now select Ctrl A. Also you can select pressing dragging your mouse. Now select Windows option and active control option. Here you can change text color. See this text color already changed. Also you can increase font size or decrease and see this and press enter. You can type new text. Also you can change here a text font style. I'll choose Arial. Also choose here bold and see this. Also you can add here stroke color. Stroke color or just to and see this. Also you can align text, go Windows and active properties and character option. Also here you can change font size. And this is align option. Yeah, in this way you can type your text. Also you can change text color. Also you can edit. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.